Welcome to today's bank reconciliation training. This is brought to you by the Berks County's Controller's Office. I am Oliver Arthur with the Internal Audit Department, talking to you today about 5 easy steps to help you balance your bank accounts. To kind of go in brief, those 5 steps are going to be entering in your bank statement and checkbook balance, your outstanding checks, deposits and transits, any adjustments that are on your bank, as well as then the final step is to balance. First, what we're going to do is you're going to take out your bank statement and enter in your statement balance at the end of the month in the following cell. Also, then you're going to take your checkbook ending balance for the month and enter it into the following cell. What I would do is I would put in your month and year. That way you have this and you can print it for your records and know exactly what month it was for. You're usually going to notice that your bank statement ending balance and your checkbook balance are not going to match. However, if you're lucky and they actually equal one another, you're done. You don't even have to worry about the next few steps. But I would still listen up because this isn't going to happen on an every month basis. What you're going to do is you're going to find out what checks you wrote last month that actually did not clear the bank. And you'll want to enter those into your outstanding checks section. We left you enough columns to enter your date, check number, as well as amount. One nice thing is if you're using our Excel template, we have already built in some formulas for you, so that way it just makes it a little bit easier to enter in and balance on a month-to-month basis. Once you enter those in, you're then going to figure out what deposits, what did you take to the bank that the bank hadn't actually recorded on your bank statement. Normally this is going to be the last day or 2 of the month, because the bank may just hold those funds for a while before they clear. So you can enter in the deposit date as well as your amount. Finally, you're going to probably have some adjustments that are coming across that are on your bank statement that are not included in your checkbook already. Most of those common ones are going to be interest or dividends on the account that are coming up on a month-to-month basis. You're then going to also have non-sufficient fund fees if somebody bounces a check with you. You will probably have some service fees. Those fees are usually going to cover those check images that you're asking for on a month-to-month basis, or if you're also needing to get those printed so that way you can have new checks in a month time. You'll want to enter those in. The key on using the adjustments field is remembering, use positives if money is going into your account, use negatives if they're coming out. Once you put it in, everything's going to start flowing. Finally, that last step is balancing. We have a difference field here, which should at the end of the month, once you're done with this process, be at 0. That means you're done. You don't have to worry about this till next month. However, if it still is not in balance, you'll want to go back through this process and redo it. Now, you're probably asking though, okay, you're watching this video, but you want to know where in the world do we have this? It is on the Controller's website. The link will be below the screen. So you can actually obtain the Excel version, which we are showing here, which has formulas already built in just for that ease. If though you do not have a computer available to use on a month-to-month basis, we do have another version which is a printed copy that you can actually print out and do. However, you'll need to do some addition and subtraction on there, but we're going to give you a little guide at that front page that will give you a sample of how to do that so you can keep for your records. We hope you find this video useful, and we plan to tape additional subjects.